Well, it's really a combination of factors. One is slowing external demand is starting to weigh on manufacturing in a number of economies in the region, including China and Southeast Asia and some of the high-tech technology exporters. And the risk to China, the slight downgrade in our growth forecast there, also weighs heavily because China is also an important market for many countries in the region. There's also been poor weather here in Asia, perhaps related to El Nino. That has reduced agriculture production. We're seeing rising rice prices. Although inflation is coming down, prices are still somewhat elevated, and we're seeing, with high interest rates, cautious attitude by some investors in different parts of the region.
So on the flip side of the coin, you've revised upwards your growth projections for the Caucasus, for the Pacific, and also for Central Asia. What are the tailwinds that have made you do that decision?
Well, in Caucasus and Central Asia, we expected that growth would come down a bit as some of the benefits, to some extent really unexpected benefits of the war in Ukraine, would recede after growth was somewhat on the upside last year. But actually, many of those benefits seem to be persisting, which means that a lot of money and people continue to flow from Russia into some of the neighboring economies, and some of the neighboring economies continue to have some opportunities to export goods to Russia as well as elsewhere. So this is really the main reason why we're upgrading slightly our forecast for Central Asia. In the Pacific, it's a story of recovering tourism and the implementation of some large infrastructure projects that are helping to boost growth.